मुंबईत वेगवेगळ्या उदरगतीची कामां सुरूच आसता. थंयचे लोक ही कामां सुरू आसतना जशे पाशियेस काडटात तशें स्मार्ट सिटीच्या बाबतींत पणजेकारांनी काडचे अशें सल्लो पणजेचे मेयर रोहित मोन्सेरात हांणी पणजेकारांक दिला. स्मार्ट सिटीचें काम संत गतीन चल्लां हें हांवूय मानता. म्हजें पाशियेस काबार जालां. आतां ही कामां घेतिल्ल्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचे फोन नंबरूच काम सुरू आशिल्ल्या सुवातीन लायतलो अशें मेयर म्हणटा. स्मार्ट सिटीचें काम बेगोबेग पुराय जावपा खातीर पणजे महाबेगली पावलां उबरल्यात अशें ताचें म्हणणें आसा.
Now work is going on. Now you go to any other city also. Bombay, the metro has been going on for 5 years now. Now everyone understands, right? That we have sewage lines and water lines that have been there from the 60s, from Portuguese time. What do you want us to do? Not do any of the work now? According to 2 members of the smart city who are doing the coordination work between the government and the contractors. Now I believe everybody in Panajim should know who actually to get in touch with now. If there is an issue with the contract, then the timelines will be printed on all of these boards. So for example, if there is a certain stretch that is supposed to be completed by March, now March will be the estimated thing on the board. We will keep the numbers of all the contractors, the owners of the companies also we will be placing on the thing. So let everyone know, the contractors also, and it is high time. All of them need to speed up their work also. Now even I am also a voter for Panajim. I'm also getting very irritated with the thing.